In this video, I will show you guys how to use if statements. So if statements are condition tester statements, and then they allow you to do something after the condition that you're testing for is met. So if statements can be used to test if a value is greater than a certain value or less than a certain value, or even strings. If a certain something is greater than something, if something is less than something, if something is equal to something. Okay, so this is the basic structure of an if statement. So you put the if, you put the normal brackets here, then here in these brackets you put whatever that you want to test. You put the condition that you want to test for, and then in the curly brackets that are below here, it's the body of the if statement. This is where you put what you want to be done if that condition has been met, the condition that you have in your normal brackets. Okay, so now let's write a code to show you how an if statement works. So we'll just use an integer and name it age. And then let's set it equal to 16. So what we will be doing is testing if age is greater than 18. And then if age is less than 18, we'll do something. Okay, cool. Now we're using the if statement, and then we put our two brackets. We're testing age. It's the variable that you're testing. So we're testing if age is greater. We're testing if age is, oh wait, that's a less than sign. Age is greater or equals to 18. So as you know that in South Africa, you're not allowed to buy alcohol if you're below the age 18. Okay, so cool. Now we put our curly braces, whereby we want to say what should be done if the condition is met. So if age is above 18, we say we want to see out that whoever is trying to buy alcohol is able to buy alcohol, or as the age that is needed for someone to buy liquor at a liquor store. Okay, cool. We'll see out permitted to buy alcohol. Hope I spelled everything correctly. And then we end the line. Okay, this is only if the age is greater or equals to 18. Okay, then down below here. So now we want to test another condition. If age is less than 18, if age is less than 18, and then we want to see out that not permitted. Whoever is trying to buy alcohol is not permitted to buy alcohol. Okay, cool. Let me remove this and then we run the code. Let's run the code. Oh, I made a mistake here. I've been using cout these days, so I have this elbow brackets facing the wrong direction. So if you're using cin, use the elbow brackets that are facing that side. But for cout, use these ones. Okay, taking a bit long. As you can see that it's saying not permitted to buy alcohol because we set age equal to 16. And if you are below 16, you're not permitted to buy alcohol. If your age is below 18, if this statement is met, then you are not permitted to buy alcohol. If this condition is met, if age is less than 18, you're not permitted to buy alcohol. Now let's change age to 21 and see if it will say you are permitted to buy alcohol. As you can see that it's saying permitted to buy alcohol because now age is equals to 21 and 21 is greater than 18, meaning that this condition is true. And then if this condition is true, then it does whatever that you put inside the body of the statement, and the body is inside the curly braces. And therefore, if the age is above 18, it sees out permitted to buy alcohol or it prints out on the console that you are permitted to buy alcohol. So that's it to if statements. Thank you for watching.